Hey, God bless you, my friend. This is Sister Sharon. Today, I want to share with you my cucumber salad recipe. I shared it a couple of years back. Friends, let me tell you, it is not only delicious, it is loaded with so many nutrients that help our bodies to stay clean and to fight toxins. It's fresh English cucumbers, Roma tomatoes, red peppers, green peppers, red onions, and I put a little bit of parsley. I love fresh garlic, my friends, on this salad. And of course, whatever salad dressing that you like. And then I head over to Chipotle and get a small portion of their Asado Chicken. So this is lunch. And when I tell you, it is delicious. It is loaded with so many good things for the body. I want to encourage you, my friends, to keep on fighting the good fight, to put fresh fruits and vegetables in your body every single day. God bless, my friends. I'm going to put the recipe inside the description of this video. God bless, my friends. Keep on keeping on eating that good food every day. God bless.